recording. இல்ல இப்ப நான் இப்பதான் டைம் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். இல்ல ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ பையனுக்கு. ஆமா உண்மை. ஹலோ, இங்க பாரு, நான் வரேன், இது முடிச்சுட்டு வரேன். ஹலோ ஹலோ, 1 minute. I think sound. Where is the sound? Yeah. Hello. Unmute. Vaibhav, please unmute. Hello.
Unmuted, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Vaibhav. Yes, please. Vaibhav. Vaibhav, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear me?
I am able to hear you, sir.
Very good. Good. I am seeing your CV.
Okay, sir.
You have applied for which post? You are working in Life Insurance Corporation of India. You have applied for N.I.A.C.L or what?
I have applied for N.I.A.C.L, sir.
Very good. You have applied for N.I.A.C.L. Good. Excellent. Yeah. Now, please tell me about yourself.
Sir, I am Vaibhav Prakash Shumade. I am born and brought up in Khamgaon. I have completed my graduation from Sri Santarjan Maharaj College of Engineering, Shegaon. After that, I have served as a clerk in Bank of Maharashtra for 6 months. Currently, I am working as an assistant in Life Insurance Corporation of India since February 2020. I have cleared licentiate examination while working in the organization.
Very good, very good, very good. So what is the nature of work you are doing in your LIC now?
Sir, currently I am working as an assistant in claims department. Specifically, I look to the portfolio of death claim in it.
Very good. So can you tell me the procedure by which the claims are being made by the nominees and how you go about settling the claims? What is the procedure adopted? What are the formalities to be filled in? And what precautions you take to avoid making payment to wrong people? How do you go about ensuring this?
Sir, first of all, the nominee come with the application. We ask the nominee to come with the application form. After that, also we ask him to come with the original death certificate, from which we verify the name of the policyholder and name of the policyholder on the death certificate, and as well as on the policy. When he comes with these documents, then we see whether the claim is early or non-early in nature by seeing his premium history, and then we give him the forms as per the claim that is early or non-early. So then the claimant bring the form fill up whether it is early or non-early. After that, we assess all the documents. We see the cause of death. Also the premium history, about the premium history, the premium he has paid, and after assessing all the documents as well as the information of nominee, we go for the payment.
Now, please tell me, if there is a nominee in an LIC policy, is it necessary for the other legal heirs to sign papers, or it is sufficient nominee alone signs the paper?
Sir, according to me, nominee alone is sufficient to sign the paper. If there are no nominees, then we ask him to come up with the succession certificate from the court.
Succession certificate or legal heir certificate?
Sir, we asked him to come up with succession certificates.
You are asking for succession certificate. So even now, do we have life policies without nomination being there?
Sir, I have working in this department from last 1 year. So when I have seen cases too that there are no nominees. At some cases, I see that the nominee get he passed away, but the policy holder is unknown about it. Means he don't change the nominee from that policy. So in such cases, these are the cases where the nominee is not present.
Oh, correct. Now I can understand. There are cases where nomination has not been given by the policy holder. There are cases where the nominee or policy holder has given a nominee, but the nominee has died before policy holder, and now he has not cared to put another nominee. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So in such cases, it is equivalent to there is no nomination, and there you ask for succession certificate.
Yes, sir.
Is it dependent on the claim amount, or for all policies you ask for succession certificate?
Sir, firstly we asked him to bring the succession certificate. And if the claim amount is small, then then he may request to the branch manager to produce a legal health certificate. And there are certain limits to that, certain limits of the payment, so that he can produce that legal health certificate, which is waived by the branch manager, sir.
No, actually, legal heir certificate is accepted for claims up to how much amount? Say 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, like that. What is the amount? You have to know about all these things because you are in this claim department. You must know the powers of your branch managers and powers up to which you will get a claim legal heir certificate only and not succession certificate. ये सब आपको मालूम होना जरूरी है because you are working in that section. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Absolutely, sir.
Yeah. अच्छा, अभी मेरा बात ये है LIC में क्यों नॉमिनेशन, जिस पॉलिसी में नो नॉमिनेशन है, वो नॉमिनेशन लेने के लिए क्यों कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हैं? But what are the efforts taken by LIC to get nomination done in respect of policies?
Sir, LIC tells the policy holder at the time of when he enters as an agreement, LIC tells him about the importance of nomination. Importance of nomination is mostly there when the policy holder dies, and I think it becomes easier to settle the claims when nomination is present. So LIC makes sure or make sure the policyholder has provided nominee in the policy.
Actually, it is not in your hands now. What LIC can do is to advise the agents to go through their clients' accounts where nomination is not there, and to pursue with the policy holders to make a claim. So make nomination. Similarly, in banks, when we have deposit accounts without a nomination, a bank ने क्या करना है, अपना कस्टमर को अप्रोच करके ए नॉमिनेशन जरूर जल्दी दे दो करके लेना है. वो होने से तो बढ़िया होगा, बट ये तो होने का there is no possibility for getting it done because everybody is very busy. Above all, Corona has come. So how this Corona has affected your work?
Sir, Corona has drastically affected the work since I am working in a rural area, in the rural dominated area. here most of the people are too lacking while taking care of the while working in the pandemic period. Uh, and there and also the collector's orders are there whenever the cases gets rise up in the district. Then as per the orders, the office has to be run on the 50% staff only, so it gets very difficult to manage all the things. But even after that, we manage the things on ourselves.
Very good, very good. How long it takes for a claim to be recognized in your office? Supposing a paper is submitted with all details properly and given to you, what is the procedure in which it goes? The paper comes to you first or it goes to the officer?
Sir, the paper, I first collect the paper.
Mm.
After that, I assess the paper. I
Mm.
go through all the documents. I
Mm.
make the procedures. I calculate the amount that is required,
Mm.
that is to be given to the claimant.
Mm.
After that, I pass that documents to my officer.
Mm.
So he again check the payments, check the documents, and
Mm.
after that, after his confirmation, I go for the preparation of the voucher. And after the voucher is prepared, it is passed by the officer.
अच्छा अच्छा. So it is not necessary it should go to the manager. Officer का साथ ही हो जाएगा ना क्या?
Sir, the settlement of the claim is only possible if there is officer, because the passing of the voucher is not in the power of the assistant. He
I
can
know,
only
I know,
prepare
I
the
know.
voucher.
मेरा point ये है, the power for settling the claims, is it in the hands of officer or the branch manager?
Sir, it is depend upon the sum assured of that policy. If the sum assured is beyond 5 lakh rupees, then it goes up to the branch manager. Otherwise, it can be settled by the officer himself.
No, no. Acha. Supposing the claim is only 1 lakh, then officer himself can do it himself, correct?
Yes, sir, he can himself do it.
Oh, good, good, good. Excellent. That is, what is the designation of the officer? Assistant Administrative Officer, AAO,
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
AAO. Oh, and you are applying for that only now in general insurance, N.I.A.C.L, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good. What is the difference between your LIC and N.I.A.C.L?
Sir, LIC is the corporation which provide insurance on the life of a human being, while general insurance, while New India Assurance Company Limited is a company which provides insurance on general insurance, which consists of products like motor insurance, health insurance, travel insurance, marine insurance, fire insurance, and so on. Both are the public sector companies, and both are the leading business companies in their fields.
Mm. So, what recently the name of LIC and N.I.A.C.L was in the news. For which reason?
Sir, IRDA has recognized three institutions which are domestically important insurers. Out of the three, two were LIC, NICL, and third one was the General Insurance Corporation, which is a reinsurer company in India.
Super. Excellent. Good. Good answering. Now, you have stated that you have cleared licentiate examination. What is that examination about? Please tell us about that.
Sir, it is the first. It is one of the first diploma which is provided by Insurance Institute of India. If one has to take promotions, he has to pass these examinations.
Which institute is giving? Insurance Institute of India. Is it so?
Yes, sir. Insurance Institute of India.
Where is the headquarters?
I think, sir, it is in Mumbai.
It has to be in Mumbai only, na? 1 minute. Let me check up. Insurance Institute of India headquarters. 1 minute. The Insurance Institute of India is the sole national apex body of insurance underwriters in India, established in 1955 in Mumbai. Correct. You are right. So what are the examinations they are conducting for LIC employees?
Sir, actually, don't specifically take the examination for LIC. The examinations can be given by any of the employees who are working in the insurance sector. The out of this, the main examinations are: first is licentiate examination, which is the basic exam. After that, third is the associateship diploma, and third is the fellowship one.
Oh. How many marks should you score in this for getting a pass mark?
Sir, actually, the marks that one gets to pass the exam is 60 out of 100.
Correct.
And
very good, very good. Now tell me, licentiate examination, what are the papers in that? Compulsory, 2 compulsory papers.
Sir, first one is the principle of life insurance, basic principle of life insurance, and second one is the practice of life insurance.
Is it practice of life insurance or life and non-life insurance?
Sir, it is practice of life insurance, I think.
No, but here in the Google, I am getting licentiate examination is the most basic and introductory level course for having 2 compulsory papers of principles of insurance and practice of insurance, life and non-life. Are you not reading about non-life insurance in licentiate exam?
Sir, I mostly read about I read about it also, sir. But
no,
the most
I think you read LIC 38, that book, na? That is read by insurance agents. That is different from yours?
Yes, sir. That is different from mine, sir. I have passed IC01 and IC02 subjects.
Achha. Now, in that, I think you also read about general insurance, is it not?
Yes, sir. I read it about us.
You are reading about, why you did not remember about it? So now tell me, what is general insurance?
Sir, general insurance is the insurance that does not come under the ambit of the life insurance. Various products that are offered under the general insurance are travel insurance, motor insurance, health insurance, marine insurance, fire insurance, aviation insurance, and so on, sir.
Tell me about any one type of general insurance in detail.
Sir,
Tell me about any one general insurance policy. Uska bare mein, how to take, why to take, how to, and then how it is processed, like that. Pura bataiye humko. Any one insurance. Aap to dekha hoga. You must have studied in your licentiate exam itself.
Sir, there is no that much too detailed idea in about a product in it, but I think
why have you not prepared about motor insurance or health insurance or travel insurance or rural insurance or miscellaneous insurance? So many types of products are there. 247 products are there in their website, I have seen. So out of them, it is easy to know about motor insurance, because I'm sure your father must have taken motor insurance for scooter or car. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then you can tell about that.
Sir, generally, I will tell about motor insurance. Sir, there are two types of motor insurance. One of them is two-wheeler insurance, while second is the four-wheeler insurance. Two-wheeler in case of the motor insurance, it has been made compulsory to take motor insurance under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. So whenever we purchase a motor vehicle from any company, then we have to make insurance of it. In this way, when we purchase a bike, we had made a motor insurance of it of 5,000 rupees.
5,000 rupees. No. Motor insurance has to be taken for the full value of the car or the scooter. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, I am telling about the premium, sir.
Premium, it can differ. It differs from time to time and all that, and depending on because they have standard rates for motor insurance. Depending on that, they will be charging. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, which motor insurance is compulsory in India? I think you have not studied it. Taking third-party liability car insurance coverage is mandatory in India. Hello?
Yes, sir. I was not getting your voice, sir.
Taking third-party liability car insurance coverage is mandatory in India. The TPL policy covers against legal ramifications of an accident caused by you. समझ गया? Hello,
yes,
could you follow? Third party liability, because when we drive a car and on the road some accident takes place, and in the accident if there is damage for the car or some vehicles, that is okay. But if some party himself dies or incurs some injury and all, there will be liability. So in order to cover that, this third party liability insurance is a must.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which is the number one motor insurance company in India right now?
Sir, according to my information, I think N.I.C.L is the leading motor insurance company in India.
N.I.A.C.L is another top company, is true. But here when we make a search, I get SBI General Insurance. Here they are analyzing from different angle. Motor OD claim settlement ratio financial year 20, SBI General Insurance has settled 89.51%, Bajaj Alliance 88.83%, Future General India 88.69%, and Bharati AXA say 87.99%, like that. So from the angle of recognition of claim, they are telling which insurance company is better. समझ गए आप?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. According to claim settlement.
Yeah, you can see it in insurancedeco.com. Car insurance companies. I am giving the link in our Telegram page. You can see that afterwards. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I am giving it in that place. You can see that afterwards. 1 minute.
Yes.
Very interesting, of course. Yeah. Here of course, first one, this one, 21 top car insurance company. Here they have told IFCO Tokyo General Insurance, 4,300 garages, like that they are telling. And then comes so many other companies are there, but then Navi General Insurance, our United India and others, it is not found here. New India Assurance is coming, 89.60%, 3,000 plus. It is there. So you kindly see about which company is doing well as far as motor vehicle insurance is concerned, because we are discussing about that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And
of course.
what are the extra points that can be covered about that? You decide, and then you have to tell about it. Now tell me about PMFBY. PMFBY. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana.
Sir, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is the subsumed versions of the insurance schemes that were offered earlier by the government. One of them was National Insurance Agriculture Scheme. Second was that after that it was the modified National Insurance Agriculture Scheme. In Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, the premium is the premium that is paid by the policy by the farmer is 2% for kharif crops, 1.5% for rabi crops, and 5% for the horticulture crops.
Good. Very good. What are the objectives of the scheme? What are the objectives of the scheme?
Sir, to provide financial protection to the farmers, to make the income to provide continuous income to the farmers, also to make also for the proper production of the for the proper production of the crops of the farmers.
Good.
These are the objectives of
providing financial support to farmers suffering crop loss or damage arising out of unforeseen events, stabilizing the income of farmers to ensure their continuance in farming, encouraging farmers to adopt innovative insurance, modern agricultural insurance, ensuring flow of credit to the agriculture sector, which will contribute to the food security, crop diversification, and enhancing growth and competitiveness of agriculture sector, besides protecting farmers from production risk. ठीक है, आपने सही बता दिया.
Yes, sir.
इसका बीच में कुछ पॉइंट्स आता है RWBCIS, उसका बारे में आपने देखा? What is RWBCIS? Yesterday also I was asking about that. I am not remembering it. RWBCIS, operational guidelines.
Sorry, sir, I don't know about it.
You don't remember?
No, sir, I don't.
One minute. Visit RWBCIS website. Yeah, objective of the scheme is that please note down, restructured water-based crop insurance scheme, RWBCIS.
Yes, sir.
Weather perils to be covered. Weather perils to be covered, coverage of crops, food crops, cereals, millets, pulses. I am giving the link in our Telegram page. When you come there, you can take that and see. Okay.
Yes, sir, I will take.
Yeah, you see that and see. Restructured weather-based crop insurance scheme aims to mitigate the hardship of the insured farmers against the likelihood of financial loss on account of anticipated cross loss resulting from adverse weather conditions, rainfall, temperature, wind, humidity, etc. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Coverage of crops, food crops, oil seeds, commercial and horticultural crops. Weather perils, temperature, then high temperature, low temperature, relative humidity, wind speed, combination of the above, hailstorm. Okay, so these are the things. So this is also very much required for Kharif seasons and other seasons. So please go through that RWBCIS also. Correct?
Yes, sir. I will go through it.
Very good. Now, some more questions on this thing. Why should we select you? You are a very, very active candidate and you are answering very well. You seem to be knowing more things properly. Very happy about that. But tell me why we should give preference to you.
Sir, I think I have the I think that I have the experience of working in insurance sector from the last 2 years. Also, I know about the exposure one requires to get in a insurance industry. I have also handled many hard situations. Also, I think that the most important department in LIC, one of the most important department, that is death claim department. I have handled it on my basis, sir. Whenever I was the only person in the department in the COVID situation. In that times also I have handled it very properly. So this gives me preference from other candidate over other candidates to get selected. Also, I think that while working, it was not very easy to get prepared, to get enough time for preparation. But even while working and and provide a proper service to my job to the people, I gave my best and cracked both the examinations. And therefore, I think I should get preference over other candidates to get selected in these jobs.
Good. Who can write licentiate examination?
Sir, any person who work in an insurance industry.
But they only write, but here in the website it says anyone who has passed SSLC or equivalent examination, completed 18 years of age can write that. But
yes, sir, that's
that is there, but normally people don't go and write. They write only after joining insurance industry.
yes, sir.
Yeah, good. You told this question nicely why I should select you. What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies. Also, I like to read articles on politics.
You like to read articles on politics also?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Excellent. Here, for a question, what are the courses offered by Insurance Institute of India? You can say CIS examination, licentiate examination, associateship examination, fellowship examination, certification of course on foundation of casualty, actuarial science, specialized diploma on marine insurance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like this you can tell about this. Good. You are answering all the questions nicely. What is your father?
Sir, my father is a farmer.
What is the farming done in his field?
Sir, it depends on the seasons. The most important, one of the important crop is onion that is taken in the during the summer. In winter, we take the cultivation of wheat. Also, we take the cultivation of soybean in rainy seasons. These are the most important crops that we take in different seasons.
Now, what has been put in your field?
Sir,
Abhi,
currently, sir, there is wheat.
Abhi, wheat. Are you growing wheat now?
Yes, sir, there is wheat, and I'm not getting the name of. Can I tell it in Hindi, sir?
Hindi में बोलिए.
Sir, chana and wheat, sir.
Oh, chana. Very good, very good. Wheat grow करने के लिए कितना महीना लगेगा?
Sir, nearly two to three months from his cultivation, sir.
3 months में आ जाएगा?
Yes, sir. 3 months are enough, sir.
थोड़ा ज्यादा होगा ना, 120 days होगा नहीं?
हाँ sir. At least 3 months are required, sir.
Wheat के लिए, how long do wheat plants take before the harvest? Spring wheat, winter wheat growing like this. 1 minute. How long do wheat take for harvest? Although we traditionally think of wheat only as a crop, stands of wheat can be quite pretty in a garden setting. New green shoots mingle well, and winter wheat, 1 minute. But number of days deta nahi hai. Spring wheat durum wheat. How to grow healthy? How to grow healthy? Here I am not getting the number of days, but आपका पिताजी से मांग चेकअप कर दीजिए. How long it takes for wheat to grow?
Yes, sir. I will definitely check it.
Cultivation, benefits of growing cultivation. Because 3 months, what you say appears to be very low. In my view, it has to be at least 120 days or so. But if it can come early, I'll be happy. Absolutely no problem. Okay.
Yes,
Plant. Winter wheat growing seasons information. Oh, I am not able to get it. Up, find out Karliji and tell me. Very good. So you know
yes,
about
sir.
wheat also. Do you at times help your daddy in the field work?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. How many brothers
Sir,
and sisters you have?
I have one brother, sir, elder brother.
What is he doing?
Sir, he to look at the farms.
Is also a Kisan.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Congratulations. Very happy. Without Kisans, we cannot live, Baba. Food is the most
Yes.
important thing. Excellent. See, you are answering everything nicely and absolutely no problem. Only thing is be reading newspaper also, be revising your current affair knowledge also, so that after the interview date is announced, you can take one more interview. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
yeah, pay 100 rupees and then take one more interview before the interview date, because there is no need for more interviews for you. You are answering very, 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 very well. And what you can do is read a lot about N.I.A.C.L, about insurance, other types of insurance. Take 2-3 insurance, motor insurance, health insurance, something like that, then crop insurance. You take these 3 and specialize on that.
Yes, sir. I will definitely take out the information on this.
Specialize on that so that you can answer all the questions easily. Okay? You have
Yes,
done.
sir. Absolutely, sir.
You have done this interview very well, much better than any other candidate. It has come very well. Absolutely no problem. But they can also, for in your case, more questions will be on LIC, death claim, etc., followed by N.I.A.C.L and your role, whether you will fit into that role. Understand?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Yeah. Why are you not trying for AO in LIC itself? No exam has come. No exam has come after that, no?
No, sir. After I think 2019's recruitment, there is no exam. A direct recruitment of AOs in LIC.
There is only
a generalist post.
No recruitment has been there for generalist post, and I don't think they recruit every year. They recruit once in 3 or 4 years. Very rare. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They recruit in 3-4 years.
Yeah, very good. Thank you so much. Best wishes. You have done very well. And how many marks you expect for this out of 10?
Sir, I expect.
You expect?
At least I expect 7 marks, 6 to 7 marks at least.
No. I will give you 9 out of 10. Good performance. Excellent. But now I have not gone into general awareness area. Maybe next time when we meet, we can talk about it. Otherwise, you have done very well. Best wishes. Any questions? Do you have any questions?
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yeah.
I haven't mentioned about my experience in Bank of Maharashtra in the application form while I was filling the form. If I mentioned in it my introduction part,
nothing. You don't have to tell about Bank of Maharashtra. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You are talking about in your N.I.A.C.L application, you are not mentioned about Bank of Maharashtra. Absolutely,
Yes,
there is
sir.
no need. You mention only about your LIC. Nothing wrong.
So, sir, so should I mention about that experience in my introduction or not?
No, no, no. Introduce mat karo. Zarurat nahi. Or
Okay, sir.
if you don't have any certificate for that period, then you can say, since I was not having a certificate, I have not mentioned in the application, but I have worked in Bank of Maharashtra like that. But then they will again question you why unnecessarily, why did you leave that? Why did you come here? Don't you think bank
Yes,
service
sir.
is better than life insurance? Like that, they will ask. So
Yes, sir. Yes,
don't
absolutely.
mention about it. Mention only about LIC. This will go on well. That is why I asked only about LIC, and I forgot about. I never wanted to ask about Bank of Maharashtra. Jarurat nahi hai.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Of course, sir.
Best.
Sir, one more question.
Yeah.
What should I read from the newspaper for the interview purpose?
For the interview purposes, you just go through the say headlines in the first page,
Okay, sir.
then important headlines relating to your state,
Okay, sir.
then business page, business economics page,
Okay, sir.
then sports page.
Okay, sir.
That must be.
Sir, is there any need to read about the banking and financial banking terms?
Banking terms, you can't say they will not ask. They can ask you what is the difference between RBI and IRDAI.
Yes, sir. Of course,
They
we
can
can ask
ask.
this
They can
question.
also ask you what is the difference between SBI and LIC.
Yes, sir.
So, and why like that, general questions they can ask. So थोड़ा थोड़ा बैंकिंग के बारे में जानने से अच्छा है. I think I have given you material on guidely material. दिया है नहीं दिया?
I I have not gone through it, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा, you are not. I have not provided or आपको दिया नहीं दिया? 1 minute. I have not given. I think so. I will send it to you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
I
Thank you
will.
so much.
I will send it to you. 1 minute. Hold on. I will forget before that. Let me give it to you. N.I.A.C.L 83449. Just a minute, because I will forget unnecessarily. You are answering very well, Baba. Excellent interview.
Thank you so much, sir.
You are done very well. I am giving you a folder, interview folder, and you take that one. Okay. 866.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. 866. अभी दे दिया. देखिए आपको मिल गया.
Okay, sir. I will read it out.
Very good. Best wishes. God bless you. Thank you. Bye. Acha, this
Thank you so much, sir.
will be appearing in our YouTube channel after about few minutes, and it will come out very well. You have done it very well, and best wishes. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Bye. You can take next
Bye.
interview after date is announced. About 1 week before that interview date, you take an interview from me.
Sir, can I ask you for can I give 2-3 more interviews with you, sir?
If you want, I can conduct it. It's not a problem. But I am seeing so many candidates. When considering them, आपको performance is very good. So what you can do is, you can take a date on 26th. 26th में ले लीजिए. एक हफ्ता का बाद में ले लीजिए. Comfortably.
Okay, sir.
Comfortably एक हफ्ता का बाद में ले लीजिए. And shall I give you 9 o'clock? Sorry, 8 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Sir, I will message you, sir. As
अच्छा,
I am.
आप पहले मैसेज कर दीजिए, बाद में फिक्स अप करेगा. थैंक यू.
Yes, sir.
वही अच्छा
Okay,
रहे.
sir.
थैंक यू.
Okay.
बेस्ट विशेस.
Thank
हम
you so
आपको
much.
कुछ मटेरियल दिया है, वो पढ़ लीजिए.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
बेस्ट विशेस. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू.